Alright, NHC or CSL. I'm recording now because it was something went wrong. Um so now we're back, and Flame, that was not an Epic Gamer move. So it looks like Rex is just sort of chilling there. Calculatable trying to push Choco. Calculatable hiding out. Choco going for it. PKGZ went for Flame and succeeded. Choco is a potential MVP for this round. Um, so let's see. Rex is trying to push, which is an odd choice. I mean, oh, he's going for PKGZ, trying to flank PKGZ. I don't think that's a very good idea on Rex's part, and I presumed. 2-0. Update you next round. So you'll see you in. Okay, and we're back. So Calculatable's already dead. And guess who killed him? Choco, potential MVP. PKGZ scrambled Rex. Flames. And that's a 3-0. Dang. Dang. Whoa. Dude, that's crazy. I mean, it's what I expected. I mean, NHC isn't a very good clan. I'm sorry, NHC, it's just the truth. Nice. I'm calling an ace already. This is just insane. Oh, Flame. Oh, just everybody. Okay, why pushing Rex gets a good idea by why. And nobody's dead yet. Okay. Why is miserably failing right now? Oh, no, no. Okay. Calculatable dead again. Oh my god. Whoa. Okay, why got a kill? Um Again. Oh, oh my god. GG's. CSL with a dub. Whoa, man. That's